iOS 17 came with many new features, and one of the coolest features is personal voice. This is an AI-based feature that allows you to clone your voice by making a series of audio recordings. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to set up and use personal voice on iPhone. Now let's get started. To set up personal voice on iPhone, open your settings. Select Accessibility. Then tap Personal Voice. Now tap Create a Personal Voice. Tap Continue. Now follow the prompts on your screen to create audio recordings to set up your personal voice. Tap the Record button and say the phrase on your screen out loud. After you say one, it will automatically switch to the next phrase for you to say. Continue recording all of the phrases until you're finished. When you're done, make sure your device is plugged in and charging, as the processing could drain your battery and will take some time. Once your personal voice is all set up and ready to go, you can use it with live speech. This will allow you to type things in, and your personal voice will say these things out loud in the AI voice that sounds just like you. To enable live speech, open your settings. Select Accessibility. Scroll down and tap Live Speech. Then tap the switch at the top to turn on live speech. Live speech can be used on FaceTime, phone calls, or for in-person conversations. Simply type in the text you want to be read out loud, and live speech will say it for you. That's all it takes to set up and use personal voice on iPhone. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.